What's good, y'all? It's your boy Chris back at it again. Hope that y'all doing good. Hope everything's good, you know, all that good stuff. Y'all know what the going on today? I'm just playing. But look, hold on. Before I start this video, I want to say that I gotta be the stupidest person ever. Like, I'm telling y'all, like, I'm dumb. Like, dumb. So, as you guys can see, the camera is mounted, right? That's mounted. It's not recording right now. I'll record in a little bit. But that camera right there is mounted. I got these new camera mounts and I was gonna return them because I thought that I didn't know how to use them and they wouldn't mount like that. I finally figured out why they're not mounting. Real quick, watch. Just watch, okay. You guys see this part right here, right? You guys, this little part right here. So my stupid ass goes to try to mount it up to the windshield. So you're supposed to press this little red knob right here. Baby, sorry, I'm filming a YouTube video. I muted myself. Sorry. So you don't hear me. Okay, all right. I'll leave myself unmuted then. All right. Wifey wants to hear me talk, so I'm gonna leave myself unmuted. So back to what I was saying. You're supposed to push this little red knob until the white line disappears, and then once that white line disappears, that's how you know that it's mounted to the surface. Which is why that red line right there, red line, bruh. I keep on getting confused. That white line right there disappeared. This thing is on here and secure. It's not going anywhere. Back to what I was saying. This little plastic part right here. I didn't realize that this was a plastic sleeve. I go to mount the thing right here, and I'm pressing this part. Of course it's not gonna mount to the glass. It's gonna mount to that damn stupid piece of plastic. So I started the return and I was gonna return them. I missed the return window, so I was like, damn, I'm out of luck. I gotta deal with these camera mounts until I figure out how to use them properly. After spending a different day trying to figure out how to work these mounts, I got home, I sat down, and I looked at it. I really looked and examined at this camera mount. When I looked at it, I realized that I had a plastic. Ooh, hold on. Orange. God damn, that's hella loud. Back to what I was saying. This is exactly what I did. Watch, let me show y'all. I noticed this part right here, and I was like, huh, this looked like it comes off. So I go like this. Voila. You now have a working suction cup mount that properly sucks. No diddy. Now you have a properly working suction cup mount, and there you go. All right, let's get back into the video. I hope it doesn't get too windy, but we'll see. Y'all saw that freaking 20-point turn that I had to do, right? I got no steering whatsoever, no steering angle, I should say, with these control arms. So I'm thinking about swapping them out. So the ones that I have on right now
are these ones right here on the screen, and I want to swap them out to these ones right here. So the ones that you guys first saw, those are completely adjustable, and then the ones that I want to swap to are just non-adjustable. We'll see what I do though. Can I make this turn? And I cannot. Nope. See? Still slow, don't matter, but the lower the speed, the faster I get to go, you know what I'm saying? I mean, like, the lower the speed, the more gears I get to make through in the slow car, so that's my logic. See that? I hope you guys can see it. If you guys don't, it's fine. Sometimes I don't like driving this car because I gotta go certain ways so I don't scrape. I need to really hurry up and raise this car because I gotta look how the roads are before I go anywhere. That's the thing that sucks because the exhaust hangs so low and the car is low itself already, so that don't help. I'd do a dig, but sure, with the windows up. It's either going to be windows up or windows down. We'll find out as we're editing. So look, the light before this one, I would normally make a left there, but the driveway is not that bad. There is a speed bump there though. That's why I don't go that way, because there's a speed bump. So look, this is what I mean by me having to raise this car. I have to know where to go. Luckily, I know Mexico very well, and there's certain ways that I have to go. Swap out the battery real quick. We back. Gonna shift it to fourth, but I saw that white car, that white SUV in front of me, so I wasn't too sure if they were gonna go into this lane, so that's why I kind of just wait. Hold on, I did shift into fourth, but I was gonna ride fourth all the way, but I decided not to because of that white SUV in the other lane. I just didn't want to risk it.
Yeah, I count a little bitch. A couple bands up in my pocket, pocket change, little bitch. 50s and 100s, yeah, I count a little bitch. A couple bands up in my pocket, pocket change, little bitch.